Hello, I'm Dr. Sri Banerjee, epidemiologist, biostatistician, faculty member. And in this segment, I'm going to be going over how to maneuver through something called GitHub. Now, what is interesting is that this is linked from the course. However, if you want to kind of maneuver through this on your own, what you can do is you can go in and just type in github.com, and then you can explore all of the various data set that is available in GitHub. So I want to orient you through some of the menu items that are at the top. So here's the code, and there's some terms that I'm going to use here that may be foreign. One is push, the other one is pull, and the final one is clone. What clone does is it ensures that what you have within GitHub can be downloaded into your local machine. Now there's a desktop version of GitHub where you can kind of maneuver between the website and basically in the cloud and basically downloading that into your machine, into your computer. So one neat little thing that I want to show you first is this code, and this is all cloning, as you can see here. So what you can do here is download the zip. Alternatively, you can open this in desktop, and I just downloaded the zip, and this goes into your download folder. And then open with GitHub desktop, and then this also has a website that you can copy, and then click on. What we'll do is bring you back to what you were looking at through food inspections. Now, granted that there's a lot of machine learning in this, I just wanted you to get an overview of how to maneuver through GitHub. So I wanted to kind of go into what the pull requests are. Pull requests only actually retrieve data that has been altered, not all of the data. Cloning actually allows for you to retrieve all of the files within the data set. So you have various folders here, and you can see the R project here that is provided for you. So this is all the things that you may want to look at the folders. And then in pull requests, what you can do is you can alter the original code and then pull that onto your computer. Now push will, I want to bring to your attention push, because that will alter the parent or the they call it the master folder, and these are permanent changes, so you don't want to do that. There's also something called branches that I'm going to show you here. You may look at some issues that might be going on, and then pull requests, as I said, and then actions, and so these are all the various types of things available. You can also create your own repositories. These are some repositories that are available on the left that I actually created on my own, and you can actually branch this one out. So the final thing that I want to go over is how to add a repository. So there's already a repository here. However, if we want a new one, then what you want to do is go into new repository here, and this is from the food inspection website here in GitHub. So you can create a new repository. You can call it anything you want. I'm going to call it test, and then you can do a description. Who wants to be appearing here and see this repository? Do you want to make it public or private? And then you can use a README file to kind of describe what is in there. and there's no license, and you can ignore the rest of this. Then you can create a repository, and then make sure that this repository is actually available. And you can do that multiple places here. First, you can check here, see test is right here, so you can click on test and then take a look at what you can do here. There's actions, and in actions you can actually do some things here. So go through this menu here, and there's multiple ways to create a new directory in GitHub. So go ahead and just play around with this, and then you can kind of provide code for each of the variables and each of the repositories that are out there. I hope this has made some sense. Thank you for listening.